Hey Sadie, so guess what? Halloween is going to be right around the corner, so we better start getting the house ready. I see we got your bandana on. You're all ready to go? Yeah? You all ready to decorate the house for Halloween? You excited? Let's go ahead and get started. Yeah, let's go. Sadie, let's take a look at what we got laid out for inside, right? So we got our tablecloth on the table, our oven mitts and pumpkins and little knickknacks. We got all sorts of little goodies, our spider webs, some more pumpkins, and a little spider and ghosty. We want to go take a look at the stickers next? Let's go. Come on, show me where the stickers are. Let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. This way. Come on. Show me where the stickers are. Oh, good girl. Show me where the stickers are. Where are they? They're right up here? Are they right here? We're going to use your kennel for the stickers. Let's see. We got some bloody hands, a little skull, and some Halloween stickers. Some cute little ghosties and pumpkins. I would say we're all organized and ready to get started. What do you think, Sadie? Hey, you ready to get started? Yeah, let's go. Sadie, all the Halloween decorations are done. What do you think? Does the house look pretty? Hey, Sadie, doesn't the house look pretty now that the Halloween decorations are done? What do you think? You ready for the year? I think we are. Look at you. You're all ready, too. You're all decorated. You look like a little spider. All right. Happy Halloween. Bye, Sadie.